What is the correct syntax for else if? I'm a new Python programmer who is making the leap from 2.6.4 to 3.1.1. Everything has gone fine until I try to use the else if statement. The interpreter gives me a syntax error after the if in else if for a reason I can't seem to figure out. I'm probably missing something very simple. However, I haven't been able to find the answer on my own.
In Python, else if is spelled elif. Also, you need a colon after the elif and the else. Simple answer to a simple question. I had the same problem when I first started, in the last couple of weeks. So your code should read.
Do you mean elif?
Since olden times, the correct syntax for if/else if in Python is elif. By the way, you can use dictionary if you have a lot of if/else.eg. For MSW, example of executing functions using dictionary.